So, challenge 1, draw a straight line. So let's do that. Events. Let's choose the flag. So when the flag is clicked, we can start our code. Alright, so I've just made that a little bit bigger so you can see. And then we want to put our pencil on the paper. So we have to say pen down. Now we've got our pen tools here. So let's go to pen down. So let's put our pen down on the paper. And now we need to move our pencil. So let's go to motion and let's move our pencil by, now 10 is a very small distance when you're looking at Scratch because that means 10 pixels. So, which are very small dots on the screen. So let's change this to 100. Now, let's see if our pencil moves. Press the flag. So there we go. Our pencil has drawn a line.
Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.